All right, guys. So I just got 9 of these in and modified them so they're plug and play for you guys. They're going to be on the website as of right now, www.rngperformance.net. This is the sensor that you're going to need to put on your Z950 HOEX to delete the low gear limiter. Now, I can't stress this enough. If you want to keep the L gear light on the dash, do not do it this way. Do it the way that I showed you in the previous video by pushing in the pin. Because doing this, we're going to bypass that light altogether the plug and play way. And I know a lot of you said you didn't care. You just wanted to plug and play. So I got 9 of these. I modified 9. We're going to let them sell out. And then we're going to let everybody plug them and play them and make sure that there's no issues with these sensors. Because I thought that these were OEM sensors, and they may still be, but they did not come to me in OEM packaging. So I want to make sure that there's no issues. And if you do have an issue, I want you to know that all you have to do is take your factory one and put it back in, take this one back out, and send it to me for a 100% full refund. I am backing these because I do not have time to real world test them. Now, this is really not something that needs real world tested, but I know a lot of you guys are going to ask for an install video, and I know a lot of you guys are going to ask, Redneck, how long will it last? Well, you should have 0 issues with this, and no, I'm not doing an install video, as the customer that brought his to me opted out of this way, and he just wanted me to full send it. So that's what I did. So with me full sending it and trying to get the video out faster than I was supposed to, because other people was trying to claim the fame, I had to push it. And I had to push it, and I had to get it out of here. Video coming soon. For the new next thing. So there you go. Now with these, you are going to have to transfer over your rubber ring from your current sensor. It's easy, pop right off and it'll pop right on. These did not come with a rubber ring, so that is sold separately, CFMOTO, so that's what makes me think these are still OEM. But they came in different packaging. I don't know if that's just the way they do things. I don't know. But anyway, nonetheless, they're on the website. Try them out. We're going to leave these 9 out there. Once we have a bunch of good feedback, I will buy a bunch more. So hang tight, guys, that don't want to do the push pin thing. All right? So there's only going to be 9. Once they're gone until I start getting people's feedback and how the install was and all that and all this. So there's no install. Please don't ask. I'm not doing one. I have no interest to do one. I really have no interest in even doing these, selling these, but I know you guys don't want to mess with your pins, and this plug and play, not going to cut nothing, not going to hurt nothing. Anyway, I'm out. Peace out. God bless. We'll see you in the next one. Happy to be able to bring you something at least, guys. Thanks for understanding on everything. And yeah, well, stay tuned. We got something coming.